It is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you how to properly set your order tray taskbar in your Windows 11 PC. Just type what you see right here. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Right click on your taskbar, go to your taskbar settings right here. So here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Other System Trays icon. Click on it. And this is going to open up right here. Now, for every icon you have in your tray right here, it's going to be displaying right here as on. So anyone that is off is not going to be shown right here. So in some cases, you may decide to show some of the icons right here in your tray menu on your Windows PC. For that, if you want to show your Windows security notification, go ahead and turn on this. So once you turn on this, you have your Windows notification right here. So you may decide to turn off the Microsoft OneDrive right here, the one you have right here, which is Microsoft OneDrive. So for you to turn it off, come back here, turn it off, and it's going to be disabled from your window tray icon right here. So you can decide to add as many as possible icon right here. Scroll down right here, and you can decide to show your Window Explorer. So just like so. So it's going to appear right here. Okay. So you can decide to add some other thing like Bluetooth device. So it's going to be shown in the tray icon. So you can disable and add some stuff. So it's that simple. So you can turn on and off, and everything depends on what exactly you want to appear in your window tray right here. It's that simple. So for more tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.